Storyteller Episode 3 R.K. Narayan and Astrologer's Day. Opening. Dark ambient sound, a nighttime Indian marketplace, flickering oil lamps. In the dim light of a fading evening, an astrologer sits cross-legged under a tamarind tree, reading faces, whispering destinies, and hiding a dangerous secret of his own. Beat. Tonight, destiny itself will come looking for him. Introduction to R.K. Narayan. Portrait of R.K. Narayan. Old Mysore streets. R.K. Narayan, one of India's greatest storytellers, had a gift for bringing ordinary people to life with extraordinary charm, but in An Astrologer's Day, he steps into the world of suspense, crafting a twist that strikes like lightning. Setting the scene. Bustling evening market in a South Indian town. As dusk settles, the marketplace roars to life, vendors shouting, lamps glowing, bitter leaf stalls, fruit sellers, magicians, herbal doctors. And there, seated under the massive tamarind tree, is our astrologer. With a saffron-colored turban, ash smeared across his forehead, and sharp, penetrating eyes, he looks every bit the wise mystic, but it's all an act. The astrologer's true nature. Astrologer arranging shells, charts, candles. He knows nothing of stars, planets, or fate. His trade is built on observation, quick glances, clever words, and understanding human fears. He moved to this town abruptly, never speaking of his past because his past is dangerous. The strange customer arrives. A man in the shadows approaching the astrologer's lamp. One night, when the lamps were nearly out, a man stepped forward, a stranger, his face hidden in darkness, his voice sharp, demanding. The astrologer felt a sudden shiver. It was as if fate had dragged someone from his past straight into his stall. The challenge. The man lighting a cheroot, cigar, smoke fills the frame. The stranger insisted on hearing the truth, not vague predictions, not comforting lies. He wanted a reading that would settle an old score. The astrologer hesitated. Something about the man's voice, his manner, felt hauntingly familiar. And when the stranger lit his cheroot, the flash of light revealed his face, and the astrologer froze. The terrifying realization. Astrologer's eyes widen, flashback overlay. Years ago, in a drunken fight, the astrologer had stabbed a man and left him for dead. Fearing the consequences, he fled his village, believing he was a murderer. And now, the man he thought he killed was sitting right in front of him. The prediction that saves him. Astrologer leaning forward, voice steady and intense. Drawing upon every ounce of courage, the astrologer looked the stranger in the eye and declared, "The man you seek, the man who tried to kill you, is dead." He continued, "Go back home, forget your revenge. The man you search for will never trouble you again." Stranger stunned, silent. The words hit the stranger like a hammer, a weight lifted from him, his thirst for vengeance evaporated. The money and the escape. Stranger paying the astrologer generously and leaving. Relieved, the man thanked the astrologer, paid him well, and disappeared into the night. He believed the murderer was dead, and in a sense, he was. The astrologer's confession. Astrologer closing shop, walking home under the quiet night. When he reached home, he told his wife the truth. He had escaped his past, the man he thought he killed had survived, and tonight, fate had given him a second chance at life. He had read no stars, only the soul of a man seeking peace. Themes and interpretation. Guilt and escape. The astrologer's entire life was shaped by a single mistake, and his attempt to outrun it. The irony of fate. Fate brings his victim back, only to free him. Human insight versus astrology. The story shows that real understanding comes not from the stars, but from the human heart. Closing reflection. Tamarind tree, flickering lamp fading. In one night, truth, fear, and fate collided, and an astrologer discovered that the only prediction that matters is the one we make for ourselves. If you like the video, please click on the like, subscribe and share buttons, hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates.